It is Wednesday, January 15th. Live trading top step combines, and my focus today is on risk management and being patient. Plan is to risk $300 per trade. I have a personal daily loss limit of $650 per account. So patient. Use the opening print as my filter today. We had a huge gap up due to CPI coming in much lower than expected. Good news for rates. 10 years down 2.65%. This reversal candle here on the daily got blown up. Hammer candle down here looks to be playing out nicely. We're still in a downtrend on the daily, so we've got a lot of work to do to take out this lower high. So shorts are definitely still the more favorable option today. Setting my risk to 300 per trade. These levels are pretty close together this morning, so about 13 points. Basically any trades within these two levels, I'm not really going to have a really good risk-reward ratio with how big these candles are. The second 5-minute candle of the day is high-low 17 points, high to low, which means I would need a target that's about 50 points away to make this a 3-to-1 risk-reward. Opening print has a 70% chance of being near the high of day or the low of day. Right now we're wrapping around it. If we, on a 2-minute chart, can get like, if this can close relatively strong, even above high of day, and then we get like a bull flag or a 3-bar play, then I'd be willing to take that long. I like, could go long here. But the risk reward ratio is really poor. 1.13. So I've got to wait for a better setup. And the plan today is to be patient, wait for solid setups, A+ setups, take an entry, don't go too heavy, don't go too light, add to winners. I think every every 3 to 4 points in profit I'll be adding for, you know, maybe 3 ads, and do an additional 25 to 30% of the position size. I think from here I'd like to see a pullback into this key level or into the opening print, and then potentially take that long to 59.8950. Right, price just keeps pushing up, so no good entries. Just keep moving up. No pullbacks. And the levels are reacting pretty well today. Got a rejection off of 59.69, a bounce off of 56.75, but no price action signals to take a trade yet. VIX is way down. 10-year is really down. It's very bullish today. We're getting a little minor pullback here. See if the 5-minute can close as an inside bar. It's 4 points. It's too close to the next level. Risk to reward ratio wouldn't be great. If it does close as like a 3-bar play, then potentially I would take it long. First target could be 89.50, second target could be 60.42, which 60.42 is pretty far away. It's another 1% on the day. We're already up 1.6, 1.7%. That might be a stretch, but it's a potential setup. Okay, now we're getting a deeper pullback. Nine-point candle. Okay. Let's see. Think I'm going to look to get long here above the high of this 2-minute candle. That is 59.82.75. Unless we break down first, then I'll just wait for a different setup. Yeah, okay, wait. Okay, looking to get long above the high of this 2-minute candle. Got to move up, pull back, high of day, pull back. So I'm banking on this being a higher high, or sorry, a higher low. plan is to also add, if this triggers, which it looks like it will, to add to a winning position. So if we get up here, you know, every 3 or 4 points, I'll be adding for the first about 12 points. I've got 7 contracts, so I'll be adding increments of 2. 82, 85. Okay, profit target's going to be way up here. And then I will trim at 89.50. My risk on this is 297.50, so just about 300. So if we get up to 89.50, I'll be at 11 contracts. I will trim 11. Let's trim 2 here. Okay, first add is in. Gonna tighten my stop a little bit. Try to keep my risk the same. Okay, let's see what happens here at high of day. All right, new high of day. I think I'll actually just add right here. Bring this up. Let's see, first trim is 59, 89, 50. Final profit target 60, 42. 60, 42, which is pretty far away. So I'll be trailing my stop. trailing my stop on the 2-minute time frame. Stop loss moved to 59.74.75. It's a good bullish close on that 2-minute candle. 5-minute candle has a little bit less than a minute left. 15-minute looks very bullish. 5-minute close is a hammer candle, so hopefully that doesn't play out. If you wanted to be conservative, you would move your stop right under this candle here. So if it breaks down, theoretically it should keep moving down, and that would potentially stop us out. So it broke down, it should move down. So ideally what we would want to see is a failure to go lower and have the high of this candle taken out. That would be a really great sign for longs. Doesn't look like that's going to happen though. Okay, that's a good sign. So we got a move up, a pull back, higher high. This is potentially a higher low right here. Just need to break above this previous higher high to confirm that. So if we break above high of day, I'll trail my stop tighter underneath this this pullback candle, this red candle right here. Having trouble around this previous high of day, 59.83. I'd like to see it close above it. I like this 5-minute close, the long lower wick. I'll get this out of the way. Okay, we've got a new high of day. New high of day, but previous high of day is rejecting. Let's see. Move my stop here. So we've got a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, I'm actually going to take off 2/3 of my position, so I've got 11. So I'm going to take off 7 contracts up here. I don't like this very much. Another hammer candle here. So the trend was very strong for the first 30 minutes of the day. Starting to look a little bit weaker. That's a really strong move up, pull back. Not very strong move up here, pull back. Not another very weak move up here. Still going to follow my plan. My stop is tighter than it initially was, so I was risking 300. Now I'm only risking a little over 200. Alright, so profit taken, took most of the position off. So 7 out of 11 contracts, 4 runners left. and move stop to break even on the runners. Okay, this final target's really far away. So we've got 50 more points to get there. I don't really expect it to get there. So on these runners, I'm just waiting for more of the same type of price action. So if we can continue to make this kind of a pattern where we go, you know, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, I'll just keep trailing my stop under the higher lows. Okay, if this weren't so close to this level right here, I would probably be adding again above this candle. So we got a move up, a pullback. This is where I entered right in here. Another move up, another pullback. This could have been another add right here above this red candle. Another move up and a pullback. And I didn't add here. I'm not planning to add here just because we're so close to this level. Right now this level is rejecting. We're in a good spot because we're on the right side of an intraday uptrend. We're above the opening print, so everything is pointing in the right direction, but you have to respect the levels and not do anything reckless. All right, so fully out. Rounders got stopped at break even. I might just be done for the day, or I might just take a break and give it another, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes before I check again. What I'd like to see from here if I want to take another entry, I'd like to see price pull back into 59.69 or even back into the opening print. This opening print, the statistics are that about 70% of the time it's going to be near the low of day or near the high of day. So we've already moved up a lot. Odds are this is going to be near the low of day. So if we can pull back into here, I think that gives us really good potential for another trade back into 59.89.50. So I'm just going to open up Trading View and put an alert on this. Let's see. 59.69. So when we get down to 59.75 is when I would like to start paying attention again. So but for now, I'm going to lock myself out. So these are all combines. Took an overnight trade last night, so this one is a little bit higher than the rest of them, but copy traded 5 and made a little bit of profit. No stress on that trade. And we will hit the lock button. Whoa. Okay, so give myself a 30-minute lockout. All right, I'm locked out. Right here, potential good trade or good entry for a long setup if you want to scalp to back to 59, 89, 50 with a very tight stop right here, 59, 83, 50. I can't take it. I just locked myself out. I probably wouldn't take it anyway because, again, we're very close to the level, and I want to play for a bigger potential gain than just a few points. So I will be back later.